Keep your hand down.
And I'd like to show you another video on my Angry Birds. And here is Redbird. As you see, he's super fast. We saw him in the last video, but we're showing him again since we're doing 2 more videos with the Angry Bird. Since we have another video. And here is Iceberg. As you know, he's an intergalactic bird. He uses his powers for ice and ice up all the pigs. And if you see any pig screams, just kill them with the other birds. And here is Bombird. Bombird, as you know, if you press him, he'll put down this thing, and then it just explode. And here is Han Solo Bird. As you know, he blasts the pigs in Angry Birds Star Wars. And here's Princess Leia. She shoots a tractor beam that'll lift the pigs up and kill them. And as you know, Big Bird can knock down every pig. Thanks for watching the 2 videos. Please subscribe and